Hi everybody, we're back on Mars looking at a huge derelict structure that I found in Asimov. The photograph we're analyzing is called Gullies from Layers in Asimov Crater in MOC Image R1600339, and I'll include the link to all the reference material in the description below. Acquired on the 10th of February 2019 at a resolution of 25 centimeters per pixel, and the anomalies we're checking out were grabbed from the JP2 black and white map projected file. There's a crop from the low-res JPEG, and we'll be checking out the anomalies I discovered in this darker region over there. So, located in Asimov, 47 degrees 23 minutes south, 4 degrees 42 minutes east, and the area we're analyzing is right here. And at the time of this video, this high-rise photograph had not been loaded yet. So there it is, zoomed out, not to scale, this long rectangular structure surrounded by other debris. Up close, 1:1 scale, you can see some layering on this one side. It looks like the structure consists of two larger pieces with two smaller parts to the one side over there. So it's about 25 meters long by about 12 meters wide, and it consists of multiple parts. So let's zoom in on that. You can see two larger almost square blocks. So there's some design to this piece. Check out the straight edges and right angles over there on the one side. It looks almost as if that could be a small opening. Then another block over here towards the bottom. So straight edges and right angles to that piece. And then two smaller parts that seem to have broken apart on the right hand side over here. And then check out the design on the right hand side over here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these parts carved into the one side. These look almost like supporting braces or pillars. And then this part to the right, also a very strange shape to it. We've got straight edges. There we've got a 90-degree angle, and then this part sticking out from underneath that. And then this looks like a piece of metal plate that's been bent up. And then this too looks quite strange. It's got a rounded piece to it over there. And then this looks like a little triangular part sticking out this way. And then that there looks almost as if it could be a little slot or opening. And over there to that side we've also got a rounded part that's convex in shape. It looks almost like a little dome or sphere perhaps. And then that reminds me of another weird structure, also a huge one that we found over in Elysium Planitia near Insight Lander and Rover Curiosity. Looks almost like these two pieces fitted together like a Lego block. As I say, interlocking, or is this by design? That looks almost like it could be like a pipe sticking off to the right. And then the second anomaly, this thing's about 10 by 10 meters. It's got straight edges. And then look at that part there, carved out like this one, also in Asimov in another high-rise photograph. Also got the one corner carved out slightly. And unfortunately, this is a very low quality image. So this one's a bit blurry, but you can see the similarity in that design. there it is close up. You can see it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides over there, like a partial hexagon, and then the straight side over here. And then that dark spot just gives it away. That looks rather artificial. So let's go over to Google Earth Mars, check out the topography and some of the other anomalies and artifacts. So let's go down to Asimov, following the Kanowski-Asimov geometry line. And the area we're looking at is located in this region over here. Some of the other anomalies found looks like a piece of machinery with multiple square openings. Check that out. Strange designs on megaliths. Look at that slot there. Got another narrow rectangular piece there. It looks almost like that could have been a pillar or a supporting column. Check out those blocks and slabs over there. There's one of the few slabs with a little sphere on it. Look at that design, nice smooth flat surfaces with a rounded edge. Looks like more metallic type structures there. Look at this strange sphere next to that block, a little piece sticking out there. And this piece looks as if it might have some writing on it or some glyphs. Not sure. Check out that piece. We've got a rounded side to it, a really straight narrow opening with a 90-degree angle there, little hole cut in over here, and another piece with really smooth surfaces and straight edges to it. They've even got a part going off in that direction, and then it's partially covered in sand. And then this strange little pyramid sticking out over there. We've got some more blocks. This looks like it's part of a retaining wall, and some of these blocks have come loose and rolled down the slope. Another strange megalithic block there. Is that possibly an arch with the sun shining through from that side, or is that piece sticking out? And then that block we checked out as well. And then that huge megalith, if I can recall correctly, 75 meters long by 33 meters wide, the same proportions as the monolith in 2001 A Space Odyssey, although this one's much larger. And then of course the anomalies we looked at the beginning of the video. Let's switch on the CTX mosaic and take a look at the topography. It looks almost as if Asimov was like a circular island surrounded by water with some retaining walls, possibly indicating that it was under construction at some point. One of my previous videos I cover the retaining wall in this area. I think there's another one over here somewhere as well. So there you can see this ring around this sort of island. The middle's also caved in slightly. Definitely not a crater. So could this have been a type of an Atlantis on Mars? Highly speculative, of course. So guys and girls, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll be back soon with more. Bye bye for now.